She changed a nappy.
Yeah!
Working with children is just something that I've always wanted to do, and this was the course that would get me there.
I still don't know whether I want to do it with primary school children in a nursery or in a secondary school. Childcare was my best option, and it was the best way to kind of get myself into it. First of all, I'm just going to say, our tutors really support it. It's always good having that teacher there that actually cares, if you know what I mean.
They give you things like these dolls that are like the weight of a real baby, and it records it all to see how you are while looking after the child. You can pick a placement that's close to you, and then you have one day a week where you're in the nursery, so that you get a feel of how it would be working in the nursery.